Hey everyone, so I'm looking at some air conditioners today at sorry about the motorcycles. Alright, we're just looking at some air conditioners and I found this, I think it's an 8,000 BTU Frigidaire Queen compressor. Oh, I have the key to my room. There's one right here. There's Friedrich unit. Here's a good looking Friedrich unit. Friedrich, I don't know if it's a Friedrich unit. Here we got a Keystone. Keystone. We got a random one. Then we go to this side. There's Portland Beach, New Jersey, or Seaside Park. Wait, is that an air conditioner or another microwave? Oh, it's just a microwave. Alright. Got higher. You got compressors on the other side, so I'm not gonna show you because I'm not gonna be dumb. RCA. This is a GMCC compressor. Alright, I'm not supposed to be here. And we're gonna get an ice machine. I think this unit is supposed to be running. No. I'm probably not gonna be at the Ocean Terrace Condominus. I'm gonna probably look somewhere else. Got another higher, I don't know where. One right there. Here we got the Frigidaire Queen compressor. Chip containing compressor. I'm just looking at some units. I think this is a Fetters, is it? Oh no. Oh, we got one right here. They're having so long. Alright, just a Jeep. For clarify, I don't know what these units are. I think these probably are Fetter sleeves. But whoever's gonna give a shit, but that one just turned off. Got a Frigidaire. Fetters in a Frigidaire sleeve. A random unit in a sleeve. I think this is a Frigidaire or Kenmore. I'm not really entirely sure. Frigidaire. Another Frigidaire in a sleeve. Is this one a Frigidaire or is it something else? Alright. This one. I think that compressor sounds like an old Fetters compressor. Right back to those two units. I think this one is this is a Frigidaire. Where's the unnamed one? Oh, that's not it. Not that. Okay, that's probably a random unit that I don't know about. Come here, back to that higher, and we got a Frigidaire, not the Queen unit. A Queen compressor, yeah, it's not running right now. It's an 8,000 BTU, same one as that Kenmore, and plus it's the same compressor. The RCA, I don't know they make. Plus I didn't know they make those. It's that Friedrich unit running. Oh, that's running. I think it's a different unit, but in a different sleeve. I don't know I don't know what unit this is, and I don't know the compressor. Check the other side. No vacancy. I don't know if I can go the other side. No, I cannot. Ow. Almost tripped again. Alright, we're going back to my hotel. Maybe later I'll do other ones. The other hotel that are near me. I am heading home. Actually, no. I'm gonna go and do some. I did some videos. I didn't want to get in trouble. Alright, we're gonna go in my room. Then go to Mimi's room. My grandma's room. And then I guess I'll end the video here. Goodbye.